Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the Captions settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Accessibility button at the left side of the screen to show the accessibility settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Captions button to the right to show the Captions settings at the right side of the Settings app window. The preview of the current video captions appears on the video at the top of the Captions settings page under the Theme Preview section. To change the caption style in Windows 11, select the desired caption style choice from the Caption Style dropdown. To create a custom caption style in Windows 11, select the default caption style that is closest to the style you want for your captions to use it as the basis for creating your custom caption style. Then click the Edit button at the bottom of the Caption Style Settings button to show the caption style settings at the right side of the Settings app window. Note that changes you make to the custom caption style are saved automatically. Next, type the name for the new custom caption style into the Name Your Caption Style field. To set the text of the caption style, click the Text tab below the title if needed. To select the text color, click a color shown. Then select the desired text opacity, size, font, and effects from the Opacity, Size, Font, and Effects dropdowns. To set the caption background, click the Background tab. Then click to select a background color and use the Opacity dropdown to set the selected background color's opacity. If desired to set a caption window color, click the Window tab. Then click to select a window color and use the Opacity dropdown to set the selected window color's opacity. To return to the caption settings, click the Captions link in the breadcrumb navigation at the top of the Settings app window. You can then select the name of your custom caption style from the Caption Style dropdown if needed. To delete your custom caption style if desired, select the name of the custom caption style to delete from the Caption Style Setting buttons dropdown. Then click the Delete button in the Caption Style Setting button. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.